Welcome back to Revamped Outdoors. My name's Elliot. On this channel I like to do a lot of 3D printing and try and integrate that into fishing and hunting the out of doors. And I've always wanted to do a whole month on one specific topic, and I think this upcoming July 2019, I think I'd like to dedicate to soft plastics, so plastisol lure creation. And I've done quite a few of these now to where I'm comfortable in showing my method, and I think it would work out pretty well to do maybe like a 10-minute episode on each, from the actual design in Fusion 360 to the print, using different types of my FDM printers that I have at my house, and then pouring into smooth on silicone products, and then eventually using plastisol to make the bait. So I'll probably be using an injection method for these. It seems to be working out the best so far in all of my testing that I've done. And I'd like to do maybe one a week and hopefully keep the videos shorter, down to about 10 minutes or less. The idea with this would be Soft Plastic July. We'd be able to kind of come together, and anybody that has any original designs, they can add something to the videos as well. You could put in on any of these social media spots, hit me up with your designs, and I'll include those in the videos at the end as well, and we can discuss it a little bit in the videos, and then we can kind of come together and just show off what we've been able to create, not only with 3D printers, but it could be anything. You could mold it out of clay and cast it in silicone, so on and so forth. So it hasn't just been 3D printers where baits were made. That just is the method that I choose to use because I find it easier to model something in CAD and have the printer do the heavy lifting for me. So I thought I would do this announcement real quick to let everybody know that that's where the channel is going to go in July, and hopefully you guys can enjoy a little bit of it and get something from it. So like I said before, comment down below on what you guys would either like to see, what you've already done, or hit me up with pictures and stories about what you've done on the other numerous social media that I'll pop up right here right now. Hopefully stay tuned, maybe subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in Soft Plastic July. Also, keep your amps up and your filament dry.